Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I'm so glad that you guys are here for another video. As you can see, we're here at Walmart, and listen, y'all, my weekday bonus was $1 for like 15. So your girl is just not trying to do that. But I do still feel there's deals that are good to do. We're not shooting for 15 rebates today, guys. I'm gonna do deals that are free, cheap, are money makers. That is the goal. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, she's going low. She's going low. Oops, almost tipped over. Listen, if it's your first time, I'm Chanel. I'm your super saver, and I'm here to help you save money by using rebate apps and coupons. And if at all we ever have overage, yes, I'm gonna show you how to kill it. All right, so this is gonna be pretty easy, y'all. Don't have an awesome week day bonus to tackle, so we're just gonna tackle what's free. We're gonna tackle what's making us money. And so without further ado, let's jump on in. The first deal that we're gonna do again is on the Sweet Baby Ray's sauce again. These are priced at $1.52. We'll be grabbing 3 of them and using this $1 off of 3 coupon from our inserts, which will bring the total down to $3.56, but we'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta, making them only 18 cents each. Now we're also gonna be grabbing the Ray's no sugar down here at $2.78. And you guys know this one is double attaching with 2 separate rebates. One is 50 cents and one is 75 cents. And for that, we're using this $1 off of 1 coupon, which will bring the total down to $1.78, getting back a 50-cent rebate as well as a 75-cent rebate. Now I do also have this on Brand Club, but it's coming up under like a different name. I'll insert a screenshot of it. And I kept wondering what was that kept popping up whenever I would sync my account, and I found it to be this right here. So I'm gonna do a survey I've already done a survey for $2.75, making this a $2.22 moneymaker. And of course, you already know. I'm telling y'all, if a deal is making you girl money, you're just gonna keep doing it. This deal is on the Splenda. It's priced at $3.83. I'm grabbing 4 of these at one time. I'll be using 2 of these 4 off of 2 coupons from our inserts. That'll bring the total down to paying $7.32 out of pocket, but you'll get back $2.50 times 4 on Ibotta, making this a $2.68 moneymaker. Now, if you still have the monk fruit one, I believe there's a rebate for that for $3, making that an awesome deal as well. All right, guys, so my next deal is on the Coke. Now, what I did for this haul is I kind of went through Brand Club surveys to see which deals I could match up to be pretty inexpensive deals. This was one of them. So I'm gonna show you how I deal with Brand Club. I've shared this with you guys, but I know I have a lot of new subscribers. And so basically I open the app, I'm gonna click shop at the very bottom, and then we're gonna click the search engine. I'm just gonna put in Coca-Cola. All right. I mean, if you're not a member, I always just click member for that. And so then from here, we're gonna click this little signal up here to filter it. All right, and then from here, we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna filter it to Walmart. Right? Apply. Now this is gonna show you a list of all of the qualifiable products here at Walmart. If you don't see the item here, then most likely it doesn't qualify, all right? I think this is the biggest, obviously it's everything. If you're not buying if you're not buying the right product, then that's a problem, right? The first step is that you're buying products that actually do qualify. And so I'm gonna scroll through here. As you guys can see, the regular Coca-Cola is here. What I'll do is I'll click on it and I'll go ahead and click buy. And this is gonna automatically go to the Walmart app and add it to the cart. I just do that just to make sure that I'm buying the right product. That way, if I scan this from my Walmart app, it'll show it as in my cart. And there you have it. But it's pretty simple. Just make sure that you are buying stuff that, like I said, actually do qualify. So with the Coke, it's priced at $2.14. And I'm doing a survey for Brand Club for $1.75, so it'll make this only 39 cents, which is definitely not bad, considering the 20-ounce ones are priced at like $1.98. All right, here's another item I thought was a great deal since it's really super cheap. And again, basically, again, we're just putting in extra gum. All right, we're gonna click filter. Okay, we're gonna click filter. It's important that you filter it, you guys, because you want to make sure that you're buying it from the right store. And if you don't filter it, you're not gonna know. We'll click apply, and then it's gonna show you the particular flavors that qualify. We're gonna get these bigger packs right here, which are right there. They're priced at $2.88. We're going to get back a brand club survey for $2.75, making that only 13 cents, which is definitely not bad considering there's like a 3-pack. And so, yeah. Okay, this next deal is another deal that I think is a pretty great deal when you combine it with brand club survey. So it's on the Scrubbing Bubbles Bathroom Grime Fighter. It's shelf price for $3.97. This one is cheaper online, so I did price match the online price of $3.18. And then I did a survey for brand club for $3. So it only makes it 18 cents, which is definitely not bad. The other thing I grabbed over here was the Kaboom OxiClean. It is the lemon scent one. It's priced at $3.98. I believe the online price for this one is $3.88, and then again doing a $3 brand club survey for that will make that only 88 cents or 98 cents if you can't price match it. This deal here, I've shared this deal with you guys before. It's on the OxiClean. It's priced at $3. It matches up perfectly with the $3 brand club survey, which I've already did. So for this one, I'm gonna do the one for $2.75, which will make this only 25 cents. This guy's on his phone. He is talking so loud, and it's so irritating. Anyways, so yeah, and I can't even focus. Anyway, so it makes it only 25 cents, which is definitely not bad. Now, all 3 products right here, as you guys can see, we're gonna end up getting that for $1.31, which is definitely not bad considering all 3 products are probably about what, $12 retail. Alright guys, so this deal I did go over in my quick video yesterday for you guys. I'm doing it again today. It's on the Queen V. There are rebates on Shopkick for all 3 products. It is not a bundle, so you don't have to buy them all. And so with this deal, it ends up being a nice money maker. And so we're gonna grab the wash. It's priced at $3.98, and you're getting back 1,575 kicks on Shopkick, which is $6.30. Basically, to get the dollar amount value, all you do is take the points and divide it by 250. All right, and that's how you get it. The wipes are priced at $4.48, and for that we're getting back 875 kicks, which is $3.50 from Shopkick, making that 98 cents. And then the bar is priced at $3.48, and we're getting back 2,500 kicks on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $10, making that a $6.52 money maker. Here is a deal that I'm going to try out. It's a coupons.com deal, and I'm gonna just try it out and see how it works out. It's on the Poise pads. Now the 20 count here is cheaper online. It's priced at $4.68. So if you wanted to grab a total of 2 of them, you would pay $9.36. Now I do have 2 separate rebates on the coupons.com app. I'm gonna see if I get them both. If I do, this will be free plus a small money maker. It'll be a 64-cent money maker. So I'll let you guys know how this one pans out. This next deal is on the Gillette Shave Gel. Again, this is another deal that's really cheap with Brand Club. It's on the Gillette Shave Gel. You can get either one of these. They're priced at $2.52. And there's a survey on Brand Club for $2.50, making this only 2 cents. Hopefully the price doesn't drop in between waiting for the receipt to process, because if that happens, then your girl's gonna bring it back without the receipt. So this next deal is on the Dove Hen Soap or Hen Wash. And so for this, we're gonna grab one price at $3.97. I'll be using this $1.50 coupon. That brings my total down to paying $2.47 out of pocket, but I'll get back $1.50 on Ibotta. I also have a rebate on Fetch Reward for $1.25, making this a 28-cent moneymaker with a limit of 5. Alright guys, here is a bundle deal on Shopkick. It's on the Dove. And for this, we need to buy one of the Dove Amplified Textures, priced at $6.64. And we're going to grab one of the Dove Love Hair, priced at $6.98. Now I use the detangler for Josiah's hair, and I absolutely love it. And so we're gonna grab the two. All right. We're going to use 2 of the $1.50 coupons right here, which scan perfectly fine. All right, that's gonna bring that total down to paying $10.62 out of pocket, but we're gonna get back 2,400 kicks on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $9.60, making it them only 51 cents each. All right, here is another item that I thought was a pretty good deal. It's on the Kiss, what is it, tip clipper. All right, it's priced at $3.77. There is a $3 survey on Brand Club, making this only 77 cents. I don't think this is a bad price for a tip clipper. All right, guys, so this deal is on the Almay. It's on the little lip, what do you call these, like lip glosses. Now I was looking for the angelic one, which is $2.85. After scanning all of these, they don't have that one, but they do have this one here, which is Flame. I had to scan them, y'all, because girl, my eyes cannot read that shit. Like, I'm just like, look. I might not look my age, but my eyes are definitely 45. But anyways, listen. So it is on Brand Club right there. And then we scanned it, and it was $2.85. All right, so I did a Brand Club survey for this for $2.75. So it'll make this only 10 cents. All right, guys, so I've been over here for like 10 minutes. Just scanning stuff to see if I could get any deals to work. I thought about getting this one right here because I still have it on Ibotta, but it is scanning for $5.40. I think $2 back on Ibotta. I can't even stomach trying to do that. And so I was just looking at this little area here. I'm gonna go check the other clearance section as well and see if I can find any more. But so far, this is what I found. I found these two here for $1.58. We'll be using the $4 coupon right here, which should give us what kind of overage? It'll be $2.42 of overage for these two. So we're gonna grab these two. These right here are $3.54. And then for that, we're using this $4 coupon. There's also, these are also available on the coupons.com app as well. So these will be 46 cent moneymaker. And I did find 4 of these. And so we're gonna grab these and we're gonna make almost $2. I also found this one here for $2.79. Using this $4 coupon right here, it'll be $1.21 of overage for this one. And now I also found this one here. I don't have a lip coupon, but there is a $2 digital on the coupons.com app, and this one works for that. So it's $2.22. So it'll make it 22 cents. I figured, hey, why not? So we're gonna grab that as well. And then this is just the Almay that we already grabbed. But yeah, so we did find some overage. I'm gonna look a little bit more and see if I can find more than just that. And so yeah, this last deal that I was gonna grab is on the Temptations Puree. It is a Fetch Reward deal, but it doesn't appear that this store carries them. I believe they're priced at $2.63, and then you're gonna get that back on Fetch, making it free. But there's also Brand Club surveys for $2.50, which will then make it a $2.50 moneymaker. So if I have time, I'll stop by the other store and see if I can find them. If not, then yeah. If not, then just not. All right, guys, and here's my complete haul for you guys for today. I just want to thank the overage guys, because they was like in your girl's corner. They was in my corner rooting me on, y'all. I'm so happy with what I found. Of course I wanted more overage, but I'm happy with what I found, y'all. I haven't found another one of these, which I didn't think I got some of these like a while ago. Well, not a while ago, but like last time this coupon was out, which was probably like a few weeks ago. It's $1.12, and I used a $4 printable. So use $4 printables for all these. All my coupons scanned. Every single coupon that I used today, they all scanned, which is amazing. And so everything worked out pretty smooth. I think I may have showed the wrong scrubbing bubbles in the video, but it is the squirt bottle one. There were a few deals I did not go over in the video, being the Crunch Master. It's in the doc, and the Old Spice is in the doc. And what else? Oh, the toothpicks. The diamond toothpicks are $2.27. I did a brand club survey for $2.25, so it should make that 2 cents. Granted, the price doesn't change while it's processing, which we're hoping that it doesn't. The Poise and the CoverGirl lip, that one's still processing on coupons.com, the app. I'm still waiting for my receipt from, was it yesterday or the day before, for the Dove hair care with the Old Spice to process so that I can then submit the other receipt. So hopefully it processes today so that I can, bless you, bug. So I can, you're welcome. So I can submit the other receipt. We did Queen V twice. I did it yesterday. You guys saw that video. That one went straight through yesterday. I know that sometimes I'm able to do it again the same day, you guys, but it really is like, it's a cat. It's like sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Like sometimes I deadass have to take the stuff back and I just be like, okay. So to avoid having to take it back, I just go ahead and I just wait the next day. All right. But there are times I've done it and it says, oh, you can only submit one day or something like that. And so, yeah. So now I just kind of just wait it out. All right. So Queen V, we did that again today. That is such an awesome deal. I think that today for this haul, you guys, I think I got back like $62 from Shopkick. Shopkick by far is the big mamma jamma for this haul. We get back $62.50 from Shopkick, which is just amazing. So everything you see here retails $206.59. We did have $89 in coupons, which all of our coupons today scanned. That brought the out of pocket down to $117.59. And then we got back $45.25 from Ibotta. Shopkick was $62.50. Brand Club was $29. That You Wore was $6.44. And coupons.com is $12. So everything you see here ends up being free plus a $37.60 moneymaker, which is so amazing. Now, I will keep you guys posted as far as the Poise. I'll either put it on the community tab or I'll pin it onto this video. To let you guys know how that worked out. I'll leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day night, whatever you're watching and wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you next video. Bye, guys.